driving the conversation. So one thing you always want to be thinking about when you are spending time in da'wah is that I want to have the steering wheel. I want to be in charge. I want to be in control of the conversation. So always take it back. Even during the da'wah conversation, something political might come up. So you may have to remind the person that, look, hey, let's talk about the creator. You know, we can keep talking about the creation and the politics and how people deal with the politics all day long. But right now, let's spend this half an hour or an hour talking about the creator. So you always want to get that steering wheel back so you are the one who is driving the conversation. Because what may happen is that you will say, oh, this is the benefit, this is why we don't eat pork, the research says this, and then he will come up with something else, and you'll just keep continuing, and then after half an hour, he might throw another ball at you. But what about this? So how long will you continue, right? And you've spent an hour of your life, and the person still doesn't know the message of Islam, the person still doesn't know about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And sometimes, depending on how uncomfortable you get, you might start lying and adding things, oh, the research says this, while you don't have any evidence for that.